In this part of the video, we're going to show you how to set the drive up to have an analog output that will do 4 to 20 milliamp instead of 0 to 10 volt DC. So, first things first, there's a little dip switch for the FM terminal that you will have to make sure is set to the current position. I know it's kind of hard to see, but basically it'll be FW101. It's this middle one right here, and you want it to be to the left for I for current and right for V for voltage, but left for now. Let's go back to our video. So once that is set right, you have to go to a few parameters. The first things you have to go to F dash dash dash. So let's go ahead and do that, and enter, and you have to go to F692. Now 692 is the one that adjusts your scaling. So if you want to do a 20% scale bias, which is 4 to 20, that's what the 4 milliamps stands for. You want to make it 20%. If you want to make it 0 to 20 milliamps, then keep it at 0. Otherwise, this has to be 20% for milliamp scaling. Okay. Once that's done, you want to press the mode, go back to your AUF. Arrow down to FNSL, and you want that to be on 17 to scale your analog output. Once it's on scale mode, you go to FN, enter. Now your dial will say 100, that's not going to change at all, but now is the time to measure your actual FM and CC terminals values. So I have the positive on FM, negative on CC. And now my meter right now says about 8 milliamps. Again, I have it on milliamp mode. So now we hit the up arrow key on the drive. Again, that doesn't change the value of the 100. It's just 100 the entire time. But your meter, as you're pressing up, should jump up. And you want to go all the way up until it says 20 milliamps. This is how you scale the analog output of this drive. So go ahead and keep pressing it. Little by little, there we go. And once you are on 20, good enough, you want to go ahead and press enter on the drive to take that effect. Now we don't need a meter anymore. And now finally, we want to go back into FNSL because right now it's in scaling mode. And let's just go ahead and set it to, let's say, 0. We want to follow motor frequency. Press enter. And now let's go ahead and run it. I'm going to go ahead and run it in local for now. So we'll go ahead and let's go ahead and ramp it up above. Actually, let's just go ahead and show the value of the meter. So again, before any speed is achieved, you should be getting approximately 4 milliamps. Okay, approximately. And as you're ramping up, you should see your meter increase in value all the way to full speed, all the way. Okay. Now the reason why I have a 20 wide short 4 point something milliamps is because my scaling was from 0 to 50, not 60. But on your drive, you're probably going to be in 60 hertz mode, not 50. So anyway, as you can see though, once you reach your maximum speed, the milliamps jumps to 20 milliamps, and as you're going down in speed, the milliamps is also dropping with it. So that's how you scale the 212 drive with a 4 to 20 milliamp analog output scaling.